Hi everyone. Today I want to share something very important thing. Why English spoken is important success in life. So every some peoples are saying I know English very well, and some people are saying I can write anything through of English, but he cannot speak fluently in front of anyone, and he always hesitate in front of anyone. So it is a very important thing for every people and every person, because without communication we cannot learn anything and we cannot achieve anything. So it is a very important thing for everyone person, like, and good communicate good, and if you have good communication, then you have a lot of opportunity, and it is a create a open door communication. And I am talking about how to connect with people and how to gain our knowledge through our communication. We have some step. I'll explain this video. The first is more job opportunity. Can you say it is a very important for every employee and every student. Every company want to hire a skilled person who are good communication. Then he will hire to them, because for example, is a one marketing company want to sell our product, then how can sell the product without communication? He cannot sell the product. So that's why every company want to the this type of person hired, because everything is depend on the communication. If he will good communication, and each company will be growth. So this is the main reason. And second thing is the global communication. English communication is not Indian language, it is the global language. Is if I have a good English communication, then I can speak anyone person, and I make a good relation, and I make a good interact, and it is the very good for any person, and we can learn through of English anything, and we can talk to anyone person without instead. And and the communication is a creative build confidence and the understanding, and he is give the decision making to our communication. And third thing is confidence booster. This is the most important thing for everyone, because you are a if you have good communication, then your morale is always upper, because in the conversation you cannot hesitate. You are fluently conversation every person without any thinking. I am wrong. I am wrong. I am a bad, because you have already a lot of knowledge. Then you don't think about your mistake. I am doing mistake. Just to think about positive, and that time your morale will be confidence and booster. And every person just to ever confident doesn't matter in have a lot of knowledge. It is a matter to how much you have confidence. It is the so matter every person. So, and fourth thing is help in the study and learning. For example, you have knowledge English, you communicate anyone person easily, then you have a lot of opportunity. For example, you are a student, you want to like learn something, and you want to in certificate, but you can see uh nowadays every platform is providing good certification through of English communication, because as a ah, student you have not good communication, but you want to learn this platform through of certification, but you cannot learn, but because you cannot understanding you cannot understanding front of bus or group how what they say, because every content he will provide English way, and you cannot understand it. So it is the most important thing for every student. If you want to your confidence level boost and your knowledge boost and everything, then you can knowledge gain and you can our English speaking boost, because if someone person is English good and then that person and those person have so much opportunity obey, he is getting, he is always get a good job, and he has always give opportunity. And fifth thing is success in his social life. When you are conversing anyone person, then any person just you. If you are conversation fluent way, and every person justify you are a good and your academic is good and your personality is good, everything depend on your communication. I'm talk about one person, I'm talk about two person. One person is a not good communication and one person a good communication. But during the conversation, during the conversation, every people are observing who is a good communicator, who is a interact annual person, and then one person is interact good way, and then every person to judge the is a good communicator, is a explain everything. So this is all about thing, because when you are good communication and then every person was observing to good way and the good thing for you. And fifth thing is my personal thought. When I started English learning, and I didn't know how to start, because sometimes I feel like very nervous and sometimes I'm stuck. I'm not able to speak in front of anyone a single spelling. But visually, I decided I will study in English, because I know very well if I will not the English speaking, then I will not do everything. So this is the main my mantra. And after that, I this after decided I keep practice. I read newspaper daily basis. I shadow practice, and I did make a video, and I so much thing I did whatever's come in my mind, and I practices every times and mirror and by thought, and I am making a video. I want to improve my skill, but I am not good English learner. I'm just improving, and I want to reducing my fear. I want to build my confidence every time. So that's why this is the main reason I am making video daily basis, and I upload on the YouTube, which is the most important my time. There was a time in a initial time I feel like very nervousness, but when I'm making the video and I feel like very boosted. So that's why I am making a video daily basis without anything what will be future, what will be happen in future. I'm just living on the present time. If I'm in my present it would be good, then I know very well my future it would be 100% sure. Sure. So these are the all including tips I want to share with you. And so friend, don't think don't think about your future, what will be happen. Just you think about your present. If you are giving present 100%, and then your future it would be good 100 and 100%. So don't think, just keep practice, just learn everyday English, and just everything you can do it. Just believe in yourselves, and just focus on the your content or your intent. And every time to think how to captivating knowledge and how to gain knowledge. Just you can think about daily basis. So thank you so much watching my video. See you soon next video.